Eskom implements load limiting in Gauteng. Eskom will implement load limiting across Gauteng to allow customers to use some appliances during load shedding. The power utility said in a statement on Thursday that it is currently rolling out the load limiting project across Gauteng after the pilot was successful in Fourways. Load limiting is part of the Demand-Side Management (DSM) initiative to manage and optimize electricity consumption to better balance the supply and demand of electricity on the grid during stage 1 to 4 load shedding. Eskom said the initiative focuses on select customers with smart meters as these have the technical functionality to be controlled remotely. Through load limiting measures during stages 1 to 4 of load shedding, customers' electricity capacity will be reduced from 60-80 amps to 10 amps. The power utility urges all its customers to use compatible meters where load limiting will be implemented to support the initiative, which ensures that they continue to have electricity for the duration of load shedding. The success of the project depends on the partnership between Eskom and the cooperation of customers and their willingness to reduce their electricity consumption to below 10 amps. Late last year, Eskom has unveiled the largest battery energy storage system (BESS) project in South Africa. The HEX BESS site at Worcester in the Western Cape was officially opened on Friday. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.